Hey, Paul.
Hey, Build Force. It's
Hey,
very
Build Force.
strange speaking to you with this camera. I'm so used to another camera.
Yeah,
and
you gotta look at my chest.
I got to look at Jeff's chest. So it feels like I'm looking down at you guys. So I really apologize for that. But enough of that. Firstly, I hope you guys are having the coolest week ever because we got some really super rad, awesome news for you. Yes, it's super rad and awesome. All the things. Don't show them stuff. No spoilers. No spoilers. We have got a whole bunch of stuff back in. Yay, it's a resupply.
Now we're really ready for Rage now, hey?
Yeah, so now we just got the last little bits of icing on the cake. But guys, before we jump into all the robot goodness,
got a little special
small resupply.
Care package from Supernova.
Yay! Okay, so guys, as you know, the silly season is nearly upon us, and what's happening there? Oh, he's looking at my crotch. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, anyway, as you guys know, the silly season, I hate having to do this. The silly season is almost upon us. So people want Christmas gifts, and some people are thinking of starting a new hobby where they've got all this free time from Christmas holidays and stuff. So we've got airbrushes back in stock. So we've got the Ninja back in stock, which is really cool. So we've got a few of them.
We've got the hose, we've got the quick coupling, quick release. Yep. Even the filter.
Yeah,
the
and especially because it's nice and hot at the moment, so you're going to definitely need to grab yourself one of these.
Do you mind just bring one of them close to the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Too close.
No, I know.
Yeah, there you go.
So anyway, so we got.
Yeah, what is this whole moisture trap thing?
Just so all this does is, this just catches all the moisture from the air that will find its way in your line, because when you're using a compressor, the compressor is obviously compressing the air and moisture builds, and it stops the water from getting into your airbrush and into your paint.
Usually, your compressor would have its own moisture trap already, but this one is like the last line of defense.
Personally, I prefer to have two on the line. I hate having one.
And also, the nice thing what I like about the moisture trap directly on the airbrush is that it increases your grip.
Yeah, it gives it a better balance.
Yeah, you can hold with your pinky.
And then we also got these couplers with the Mac switch, with the Mac valve. Mac valve is nice because you can also just decrease the pressure on the line if you need to. It's a use it or don't use it feature. And then we got these as well. These are the needles, needle cleaners. So all this is a very sharp needle which you put into
has a scraping edge.
Yeah. And you put that in there. Like, I'm a disembodied head speaking to everybody. They just see my hands.
But that's fine. We've seen enough for Paul.
No, it's not that it's not it's fine or not fine. It's just that it's bad practice. Jeff's having too much fun. And then we just got a bunch of really, really cool Vallejo paints back in.
Just a few.
Quite a few.
Back in stock,
So guys, so when you check out the website, you're going to see a whole bunch of Vallejo paints back on there. And and it's a really great, that's also a cool way to get into the hobby, because if you're worried about noxious fumes and things like that, Vallejo are a lot safer. And if you guys have been watching my streams lately, they're really great for hand painting as well, for hand brushing.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Robot time. Robot time. Okay, so I'm just going to go with what has excited me in this launch. I'm going to start with what has excited me with Gundam stuff.
Bring it to my chest.
The wing Honu or however it is actually pronounced, which I don't know, so I just tried two bad versions. Anyway, very cool kit. Actually, one that is from the Gundam Build Fighters manga. The Hono
was the manga?
Yeah, it's from the story. It's a side story, so it's from the manga if memory serves.
I do remember seeing it from the anime as well.
It does appear, but I don't know if it's actually in there as like a big feature. But here it is. Yeah, Build Fighters Hono Try. So it's from that. But anyway, guys, as you can expect with the Build Fighters stuff, some effects parts, a lot of extras. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, shiny.
Lots of clear orange, I see. Yes,
so this is actually really good. This is actually one of the more unique and more interesting and I think more desirable designs that you should chase if you guys are keen on this. Plus, the flight mode actually looks really good.
Yeah, they redesigned the shield.
Yeah.
Even the wings,
looks really cool. Also,
the upgraded version of the, we had the full package last time.
Yeah, so this is the Plasky wing type. So guys, I know that I don't personally love this, but I love elements of it. But I know that you guys are probably going to love this because I've seen a lot of love for these types of designs here locally. And this comes with the the Plavsky wings. and it's a great attachment. And the thing is, the Plavsky wings, we have trouble getting the separate sets. So if you guys ever wanted those wings or wanted anything from this kit in particular, then you're going to have to get this kit because we can't get those sets anymore.
This kit is not only the wings that's different from the full package. It's even got upgraded parts on the chest, I think the legs as well, and also the shield on the rifle.
Yes, the shield, and it's got a cool like core fighter type thing, and the tonfa, like kind of strike tonfa. Sweet. Cool. Then now the non-Gundam things that are exciting me.
There's also another thing from Build Fighters.
Oh yeah, we got these.
Ooh.
So this is probably this is one of the few Build Fighters like part sets that like is reproduced quite a lot.
Yeah. This is before 30-minute missions was around, hey?
Okay, so if you guys are looking at this and going, why should I get that and not the 30-minute missions one? It's because this doesn't have hard points everywhere for you to attach things. This is a cleaner design or a more sort of, should I say, galvanized design. So it's meant to be more sort of suitable with the Gundam stuff.
Also, what I know is it's also kind of compatible with scale 1 to 100.
Yes.
They do give you another handle for bigger hands from
actually, I think they show you there.
Yeah, there.
1 to 100. They got it there with the Dynamis.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay, cool. And then just a rundown, just always great to have Goof in. Yeah. This is just for Wowen. That's the Goof.
And Infinite Justice.
So I feel like the universe is telling me to get one of these.
One of these days.
Because we keep getting restocks on them. And
okay.
And then
Action Base 6.
Action Base 6s.
Yeah. Very clean. Very clean.
Plenty of them. Back in stock. Best, in my opinion, the best bases. Especially if you build 1 to 144 in real
smaller
grades.
kits, though.
Yeah. 1 to 144 in real grades. Okay, then quickly shifting over, our Lord and Savior, Kira Yamato.
Kira Yamato.
Okay, check this out. This
Brand
is non-Gundam now, so this is super new. This is one of those.
It's a cat playing Mecha Girl.
Yes, it's another one of those
VFG,
variable fighter girls. It's also it's based on Macross.
So it's from all the Macross jets. They have a personify them.
Yeah. Well, this one in particular. And this is really, really, really cool. Like the jet mode, it transforms. It's beautiful. There's I think there's 2 of these that came in. So 2 lucky people have got those. Yeah. But yeah, we got all the parts there. Now I don't want to mess around too much, specifically because this one isn't Endarium's. So I don't really want to fuss with it. I only like to mess with Endarium's waifu kits. Man, we got all of the parts here, and we got some effects parts really cool. Even. So yeah, that's really cool. Like I'm actually sorry that I didn't get myself
even like thruster effects, eh?
Yeah, and thruster and missiles and these little. I love these things are so cute. I don't know, is everybody seeing those? Check these, they're so cute.
Let me pop it off from the chest and just do that. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. And that's when I just move it there nicely.
Oh, I love all the cat motifs.
Yeah.
And
the cat motif, and then the other side is just boring. Oh. Like it's made out of plastic.
It's the
don't eat it.
Stuff, yeah.
And then also just keeping with that Macross vibe.
What's it? VFG. Yes.
VFG.
Yeah. This one's a big. I was gonna say big boy, but no, it's a big girl.
It actually is because Ronka is actually in the set. No, Ronka actually isn't. Anyway, we'll leave that out of that. I can't remember.
She's in a series.
She is, but I can't remember if she's in Charlie. I don't think she goes big. But anyway,
no, she's just
it's been a while.
Average girl with the pop star.
Yeah, no, she's just an average pop star in the Macross universe. No, but actually a very cool waifu kit and actually very popular. Ronka, yeah. And then we just got these over here. These
the awesome thing about these VFG kits is that it's like 2 kits, individual kits that can combine into one.
Yes.
So that's very cool.
So you get a jet and a waifu, and then a jet waifu.
Oh, actually, we got permission from the customer to check out the fabrics.
Oh yeah, there's actually fabric in this. Yeah, thank you. This is the one with the fabric. Okay, but I just want to be careful because Aoshima,
there's a lot of like.
We love you, but you guys don't know how to pack a model box for nothing. This looks. Presentation is not amazing here, guys. Okay, I just want to get.
There you go.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, it's in the whole. It's in one big.
Yeah, but there it is.
Oh, that's so cool.
You can see it.
Wow.
That's what it is.
Sure. So this is like handcrafted, eh?
Yeah, pantsu. Yeah. So that's pretty cool actually. And then
is that a plastic part though?
no, this is
That's a
it's
fabric?
all material. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
it's all soft goods. And you get a nice poster in there as well, but I don't want to reveal that. I think it'll be cooler for when the owner of this kit gets to experience.
Pantsu over there.
Pantsu! Oh wait, now I've got booba almost. Okay, anyway, so let's just pack this away.
So this is quite a special kit. It's for the 40th anniversary of Macross.
Yeah. My God, don't I feel old? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am as old as Macross. Which is kind of a cool thing. Okay, this is how, and I'm actually going to put this on the top here because I feel like it's going to protect it better. I don't
Wait, what is that? It's got key as a weapon?
Yep. There's some interesting things
And what the
happening
hell
with
is
this
going
kit.
on here? It's buns.
It's a bento box. Yeah.
Why does it look kind of suspicious?
I don't know. They look like buns to me.
Okay, wow.
Hold on, let me
these
just do this the right way because this thing's got an interesting orientation.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it feeling a bit...
Yeah, I
it's
just want to
air bubble, yeah?
Yeah, I just want to just make sure it's nice. Okay, cool. And I just want to make
Nice.
sure the right stuff is at the bottom.
So
Okay.
yeah, from two girls, we can move on to another girl over there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the waifu. Yeah, so these are back in. Everybody loves the full mechanics Gundam area. Woohoo! Yeah, Jeff is having too much fun. Yeah, camera shake. Caution, camera shake. Then we got
Oh, a baby...
the Nunu's one, the SD, and then yeah, and that's I got. Oh, and actually, wait,
and the HG.
and the HG.
That looks very dangerous. Have you played Jenga, Paul?
Yeah, I have. I'm pretty.
Jenga!
I'm pretty good at it.
Oh,
I
wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we don't scream Jenga. Then.
Yeah, no, we don't scream Jenga. It's not gonna fall.
Oh,
and then
this is also very,
this
very
is
cool.
super cool. So I am very excited about these parts in particular, specifically for these lower leg bits. I think they look so cool for my 30-minute sisters.
For anybody who wants to make Zone of Enders, Jehuti, or Anubis.
Or just a really cool pair of cyberpunk legs. And I mean, I know that this is a 30-minute missions,
This is quite
but I see this for 30-minute sisters.
This is quite a raunchy pose.
It is
Bandai.
quite, it's quite,
Draw me
it's
like
quite
one
sexy.
of your French robots.
Okay, and let's close off with the best thing for me.
Oh, and speaking of funny legs, we also got Le
Oh
Fleur.
yeah, yeah, we got the Kentucky Fried Gundam. Okay, guys, I don't know. Should I mention this? I'm just going to mention
Did
this.
we talk about the decals?
I'm going to.
Oh,
Hold
yeah,
on, I'm
yeah,
building
yeah,
up to that. I want to save the best for last. We have Beyblades.
Beyblades! Whoa! That's so awesome! Let it rip! Yo! Yeah, Paul's very excited about Beyblades. Yeah, today I saw some videos from Endurium like, educating me on. It's like, I didn't know Beyblades was this complex, you know? It's like really, really cool.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So for the guys out there who ordered these, enjoy them.
We want to see battles! Yes!
I don't, actually.
Yeah,
Jeff wants to see battles. Other people want to see battles. I don't care.
I know
this
two of our
one-
guys that comes to our build meet, they're planning to bring their stadium, and then, yeah, they're going to battle
Lord.
it out.
And then this is like a shiny whatevers. Sorry, guys, the Beyblade thing is totally lost on me. Like, they don't transform or do anything. Which gets us to my favorite
But
bit.
they break apart, though. Apparently, that's how you defeat each other. You got to break each other apart.
Again,
Anyway,
I grew up with Transformers and G.I. Joes. Exploding,
he wants to see holographic monsters come out of him like Yu-Gi-Oh. Yes.
exploding spinning tops don't quite excite me the same way.
What's happening
So
here?
this is, aside from the cool, let me just throw those on the floor. Don't worry, these are actually mine. I'm allowed to throw them on the floor. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys are really like scared of using water slide decals and all that kind of stuff. But if you take the time and just, you know, get to grips with it, you'll find water slides are amazing. So much better than stickers, so much like, actually less effort than a sticker, honestly. Like how I feel like painting is less effort than a sticker.
Yeah.
It's just put in the time and you'll get the results. However, when you start getting really good at decals, you have to get another skill up. And so you have to get things like decal softeners and using clear coats and whatever's, because you often get like a bit of extra film on the decal. Now, this is not to poo-poo those kind of decals. I mean, decals are decals, and there's ways to fix that.
Yeah, just
But
like a spray a glass coat or matte
coat, yeah,
just
exactly, and use a decal softener. And,
so that
and
your surface and your this film on the decal will homogenize. Yeah?
yeah, they will. Well, yeah, they will melt. It'll melt into it. So, now we have these amazing decals. These are good mark decals. How this works is you slide it onto your kit, position it, do all those things that you need to do. You don't need to use a mark softer, although you can. And then you take the film, you just tweeze it off, and you pull off the film. So the film will actually just pull off like that off the top. And then the markings that are left behind will look like they're painted. It looks as good as a dry transfer, if not better, because it doesn't have that extra layer of thickness. Now, guys, I can't stress to you how important this kind of thing is if you want to just get that extra edge to that kit that you really love, especially if you, like myself, and enjoy building real grades and love taking great photos of your kits. These kinds of decals are amazing for that. And we have the added bonus. When Jeff's going over here, you're just seeing on camera, this just looks like normal decals, like whatever. But a lot of these decals, like these ones are reactive to UV lights and they're neon. These ones,
they're metallic.
Yeah, so these ones are metallic. These ones are also metallic. They've got like a pearlescent thing going for them.
I think these are neon, so when you shine the UV light on
they change color.
Blue.
Yeah, they're color changing. And then these ones are metallic.
Yeah.
So guys, these are really, really cool. So this will actually take your like decal game a little bit further.
So if you guys have any like cyberpunk kind of color scheme for your model kit, you can use these.
Yeah, and then again, the color change. This goes from red to like purple when you add different light. So again, it will add like Jeff said, like a whole cyberpunk element to it, but also just giving it a bit of a super anime kind of feel, tech feel. And for the guys who have bought these, I feel like those decals will look really cool on stuff like this, especially when you got like an idol or something with the kit. Anyway, guys, we have been doing a lot of short but very sweet resupply videos. So I know it doesn't always look like it's this massive haul of stuff, but we've been trying to focus more on like a quality approach than having a quantity of kits. Otherwise, you just have too many kits in your life, and then we have, what's worse is as a store, then we get a backlog, and then we have to do stupid things to get rid of them. So what we prefer to do is have these really cool targeted approaches right now. Jeff and I discussed this a lot over the years, so you might have noticed smaller drops or smaller resupplies. I hate the word drop.
Yeah, and especially with like conventions around the corner, rather let's like do a multiple so that we can do our best to make sure our stock is like
and also just to make it cool for you guys, so you guys can get hold of your stuff nice and early before conventions. It's just there's a lot of reasons to do this. It also helps us get our new releases in quicker. So I just wanted to share that little bit of a tidbit with you guys and why we're doing this. So if you're seeing these and you go, oh my word, you guys are only getting like 5 kits. There's a reason for it, because we're getting the 5 kits that matter at that moment for us. So with that said, I think the next time we're going to see everybody is at Market Kokoro.
Japan Day by Market
Kokoro.
This coming Saturday. And speaking of which,
Noodles.
We might actually do a resupply drop like either tonight, tomorrow, because it's going to be quite crazy. We need to like prep for Market Kokoro.
So check it out. When you guys are watching, let's keep it easier because you don't know when this video was shot. Sometime in this video, the stock will be launched. So when you watch this, so when you're watching this video, know that the stock is ready to be deployed. And guys, sweet. I'm excited to see most of you guys at the Japan Day at Market Kokoro. Thank you for chilling with us and checking out the resupply vid. And I'm very jealous of your Macross kits. You guys know exactly who I'm speaking to.
Show us pictures.
Please show us pictures
like
and
progress. As you're building, we would love to see.
Yeah, I'd love to see some of that stuff.
So it's not just like unboxing. It's like out the box and it's like finished. We want to see the journey. Yes.
Yeah, see the journey, and then of course for some of you guys, be brave and try out these decals.
Like take photos from different angles and shine the UV light on it there. Oh yeah, at the back there. Yes. Yeah, really want to see it.
Cool. Super cool, especially for like build fighters and stuff. You can make it anyway, guys. Let's not take more of your time. Enjoy checking out the new stuff.
Now, what should we slam into?
Maybe we should slam this.
Yes, the big girl. Another big girl. Yo, Strike Rouge
in the house.
Boom.